So I've had a few of you ask, after you have your students fill out the Google form for our E-Day, how do you get to their responses and figure out where the names are to take attendance? So I've already created my spreadsheet, so I am using a different Google form from my physics class, but I want you to know that the procedure is still going to be the same. So what I did was I found the form I wanted in my Google Drive, double-clicked on that, and the form opens. You should see questions and responses. What you want to do is click on responses, and right now I don't have any. So I'm going to click on the spreadsheet icon right here and open that up. And that creates the spreadsheet. So once your students fill out the actual form, their responses will appear here. Now I'm going to show you how to sort those easily and why we set up the form the way that we did. So again, I'm using an example from my actual physics class. And this was an old form and responses that I had students fill out. So ignore the names, they've already graduated. This is from a couple of years ago. But I want to be able to look down and sort my students by class period and then also by last name, because that will make things the easiest when I'm taking attendance, because you're going to have students from all of your classes on our E-Day fill out this form, and they're all going to show up on the same spreadsheet, and they're doing that at different times. So how can you make that easy for you to take attendance? So once you've created your responses spreadsheet, you will get something that looks like this. You will need to select all of the responses in your form. So this one went down quite a bit. So I'm going to select all of those. And then I will go to data. Now I could sort by column A, but that's a timestamp and that really doesn't help me. So what I'm going to do is select sort range. And my class period happened to be column D. So I'm going to choose column D first. Then I want to add another sort column and sort by last name. And on this particular spreadsheet, last name is column C. Yours might be different, but whichever column is your class period, you want to select that column as your first one. You'll add another sort column, and then whichever column on your spreadsheet is last name, that will be your second choice. And then click sort. And I did not select everything, so let's try that again. So I will select everything in the form, and we will try that again. So it is data, sort range. My class period column happens to be column D. Last name is next, and for me on this particular spreadsheet, that is column C, and I will click sort. So as you can see, it starts out with first period, and then it goes to second period. And within each of that, it is sorted by last name. That will make it easier for you to take attendance. I hope this helped. And again, if you have any questions, please stop by the tech room and our team will be happy to help you.